Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign in into the online banking account of Liberty Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get up to date. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now you go in for new tab and search in for a libertybank.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Liberty Bank, you need to click on the login option on top right of the screen. Here at the login form page, you need to provide your username. Then you go in for providing your password. After you provide both the details, that is your username and password, then you simply click on sign in where you will get directly logged in into your online banking account of Liberty Bank. Just in case if you forgot your password of the online banking account of Liberty Bank, you need to click on the link given below, that is forgot password. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page where you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to have your password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can log in into the online banking account of Liberty Bank. Thank you.